Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to remove white background from images in Photoshop. First thing you need to do is go to Image Size, right here, and you can upscale this by just increasing this number here. So I will upscale it by 3 times, like so, and press OK. And this just ensures that the image quality remains high when we remove the background. So zoom out a bit because the image is upscaled, and go to the bottom right corner on this icon right here. Click on it and select solid color. It will be the first option right here. Now select a dark color and press OK. Now you have 2 layers. Click on the layer 1 right here and drag it up. Now right click on the first image layer and select blending options, also the first option right here. And here you have this slider. So you want to select the right side slider and move it towards the left side until you can't see any more white on the image. So I'm happy with this and I will click OK. Now the white background is removed, and before exporting you simply click on this little eye icon here of the second mockup layer, and there it is, transparent background. So the way you need to export this is by going to File, Export, Export As, and just be sure that PNG is selected here. Now simply press Export. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.